This storm, sometimes we get caught up in the pictures, the videos, the big surge, the waves, the just devastating footage that we've seen, but we don't always realize that these are people's lives, these are people's families, their homes, and this could not be any more of an example of that. This is somebody's living room, this is somebody's home appliances, this is somebody's life. I mean, as we take a look over here, this is somebody's family. We found these pictures alongside Summerlin Road. Pictures of a young lady with assumedly her pet or maybe farm animal. A picture over here, a young boy with his family. This storm is much more than just storm surge. Category 4 in the name and the historic speeds of wind. This storm is so much more than that. This storm has turned the lives upside down of so many people here in Southwest Florida. This storm has changed Southwest Florida history. Because I know this storm has changed so many lives here in Southwest Florida. I know the family of that young boy, the family of the young girl there with the farm animal, their lives are never going to be the same. Their lives will never be like they were. These items are mainly not replaceable. Sure, the appliances are replaceable, but those photographs, those memories, and those little trinkets, things that you only find one place in the world, maybe passed down from grandma or grandpa or